Hello mga ka-Gcash user, ayan guys, merong update si Gcash dito guys at hindi ito ay gawa-gawa lamang. So makikita nyo sa ating full screen ang full details kung kailan masususpend or kailan titigil ang Gcash games dito sa Gcash app. So kung ikaw ay may funds dito sa Gcash games, ayan guys, ngayon pa lang i-withdraw nyo na at maging alerto dahil baka mamaya pera nyo na magiging bato pa. Ayan, so makikita nyo no, access will be suspended by 8 PM on August 16. So tomorrow na yan guys, 2025. User may withdraw their funds from their gaming account back to their Gcash wallet until 8 PM of August 16, 2025 guys. Ayan, this is in compliance with BSP Memorandum number M2025-029. Ayan guys, so to proceed please confirm the following guys now. Ayan, so kung meron pa kayong mga kung meron pa kayong mga pera sa inyong or funds sa inyong games, Gcash games guys, ayan, tap nyo lang itong I confirm that I am less 21 years old, not restricted from playing by regulation or Philippine law. Ayan, tapos tap nyo lang yung proceed and to continue your transaction guys. Ayan, so maging alerto at maging maingat ang lahat. Have a nice day.